Welcome to SAT 021. The topic of this lesson is absolute value equations. The absolute value of a number is its distance from 0 on a number line. The symbol, two vertical bars with a in between, represent the absolute value of a. So we have a number line, and we look at -3, and the absolute value of -3 should be the distance from -3 to 0, and that's 3. So the absolute value of -3 is 3. Let's look at 2 points on a number line. Okay, so one is -2 and one is 4. Okay, so if we count the distance, that's 6 units apart. So the absolute value of 2 points or 2 numbers should be the absolute value of their difference. Okay, so we subtract. So we can write as this, the absolute value of -2 minus 4, or we switch these two, absolute value of 4 minus -2. Same thing, okay, we'll get exactly the same answer. So let's use the first one. So absolute value of -2 minus 4, it will be absolute value of -6. So that's 6. All right. Okay, so let's look at a practice question. The distance between two distinct points on a number line and the point with coordinate -3 is 5 units. Which of the following equations has these 2 points as solution? And we have A, B, C, D, 4 choices. Okay, so we have a number line and we find -3. And then let's say X is 5 units from -3. Okay, actually there should be another X on the left side, okay, but that's the topic afterwards. Okay, remember to find the distance of 2 points, we need to find the difference of these two. So the operation inside the absolute value symbol is subtraction. Okay, so we are going to subtract -3 from X, and that equals 5. And then we simplify, we get the absolute value of X plus 3 equals 5. So that's A. To solve absolute value equations, we need to know this. If A is greater than or equals 0, then the absolute value of A is A. Like on a number line, okay, so we have the origin, 0, and the absolute value of 2, which is positive, is itself 2. And if A is less than 0, then the absolute value of A is the opposite of A, okay, negative A. Okay, so like if A equals -2, and then the absolute value of -2 is +2, which is the opposite of -2. All right. Okay, so notice, so we can solve absolute value equations. Okay, to solve an equation in the form the absolute value of A equals B, where A represents a variable expression and B is greater than 0, then you need to solve 2 equations. Solve A equals B and solve A equals -B. Okay, so let's look at an example. If A and B are the solutions to the equation, the absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 3, then what is the value of the absolute value of A minus B? Okay, so we need to solve 2 equations. Okay, so the first one, 2x minus 1 equals 3, and then the second one is 2x minus 1 equals -3. Okay, then we solve them separately. So x equals 2, or x equals -1. Okay, so 2 solutions and we have A, B. So A can be 2, B can be -1, or we can switch them. Okay, either way. But anyway, so the absolute value of A minus B equals the absolute value of 2 minus -1, and then that is 3. Okay, so the correct answer here is 3. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.